Good morning, everybody. Enjoying the beauty of nature. Look at the greenery outside. It is so unbelievable, so fresh. The sun still hasn't risen. I'm sure it'll be soon sunny, but we are all ready for Delhi, for Sahibabad. There are so many people coming, and we are so excited. Look at the greenery, look at the trees, the water. Absolutely unbelievable. Just like Deepak says, we need to take our inspiration from nature, Mother Nature, the birds flying, absolutely early morning, such a beautiful scene. Only thing is that we cannot hear the sound because we are inside the compartment, and but still, whatever it is unbelievable. Looking forward to seeing every one of you. Thank you. Have a good day.